Right, boys and girls, it's time to take this beast out for a little POV. Obviously, you guys already know that we bought this little thing here, VW Polo. You can kind of hear it purring. Yeah, she's purring. Obviously, I've done a bit of modification, my special touches. Obviously, you got the IEMAN YouTube logo there. Let's get it, POV on that. Let's get it. Right. Oh my gosh, the headroom in this is not great. The S3 was fine, but with this, I'm bashing my head all over the flipping top of the car. So yeah, let's see what we can do with this with the little the little Polo and that. Yeah, come on. Right. Oh, I went the wrong way. We go the way around. Let's see if we can. Wait, which way are they trying to get me to go, bruh? What's going on? This way? Maybe? Am I correct? Yes, it is. Right, so we got some countryside roads here, yeah, to really bash through. Obviously, we're going up a hill right now, so she's not. See that quick gear change, guys? Oh, the mad thing still, I can't even lie, you know. She's very slow. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. She's slow, but hopefully we should be able to make something happen. I want to get into some nicer twisty roads, but that's a nice car. Right, let's see how we manage with this bend here. Downshift it to third and just pin it through. Yep, she did well. She did well. Not too bad. Oh yeah, guys, I don't know if you know the situation about the is that a roundabout? Yeah, it is. About this flags Bow S, this flag situation. Oh, quick. Yeah, the flag situation. I've seen videos on TikTok, but yeah, I don't know. It's a bit stupid if you ask me. I'm not gonna lie. Yes. We've got some smaller little roads now. Are we going the right way? Yes, we are. Oh, wait. Oh. Got some nice. Downshift that to third. Pin it in, all the way in. Yes. Yes. This is actually 5 jokes, can't lie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The brakes on this thing is actually really sick, I can't even lie. The brakes is actually very good. And the downshifting is nice and smooth as well, I can't lie. Really good. I just thought of something. Overtaking. Oh my god. I think that would go so bad if I did that. Try and overtake. Oh my gosh. Let's not try and do that. Actually, I think I came up this road. Yeah, I did come up this road before I started the video. Yeah, downshift is very smooth, which is really nice. I like that. I almost forgot to say to you, boom! That was a perfect one as well. Boom! Come on, cuzzy. Whipping it still. I got 35 minutes, bro. I want these cars to hurry up, man. Honestly, on my way coming here, yeah, I didn't want to drag the car. I didn't want to downshift. I didn't want to do nothing because I want to experience the way this car performs, yeah, on the countryside road. I want to experience it with you guys firsthand. And you know what? It feels good. It's not fast. Let me not sugarcoat. It's not fast, but you know, I think what makes it more enjoyable is literally, yeah, the fact that you can just rev it out, yeah, and it's so slow to like rev all the way out, which makes it a lot more funny. And just hearing that engine scream as well, I think that just gives it a bit more of a like I don't know, it makes it entertaining a little bit, you know. But yeah, man, the traffic is moving a bit slow. So yeah, it's a bit annoying, can't lie. But yeah, what's that behind me? Mercedes, yeah, Mercedes and that. The car, I just want to press it, yeah. I want to. I really want to press it. I can't lie. I want to go for the overtake, but I can't. No, wait, no. No, no. Oh my gosh. Why is this thing so slow? Bro, in the S3, yeah, I would have taken those 3 cars, bro, straight up on this road, fam. But nah, this thing is too slow. Flipping hell, man. There's the M1 over there. I actually drove alongside the M1 on the way where I went to, bro, where I started the video. It was pretty cool. I really was so tempted to stop the car and like go up, because it's like a hill kind of thing, yeah. So you got the road here, for example, M1 on the side there, yeah, and it's like a hill going up, and it was like all grass. I was so tempted to park up and walk up here and see the flipping M1. That would have been so sick. But yeah, anyways. Oh my gosh, why? I want the road to open up so bad. So bad. Because I don't know if you can hear the car screaming, but she's screaming. Whip it. Whip it. Sheesh. Yeah, the car makes that noise as well when you hit some big ass potholes, yeah. Looks like my man's trying to give it, yeah. Come on, cuzzy. Bro, these are the best cars to rag, bro, if I can't even lie. Shit, you can just do anything with them. And they'll take it, bro. Give him a good old beating, bro. A guy in that car with the beard, the C-Max, S-Max, whatever it is, Galaxy. No idea. It looks like he wanted a bit of the sauce, mate. The sauce, mate. Right. Looks like he wants a bit of the sauce, mate. The salt. Bro, what's going on? I'm trying to make a video here, bro. These men are going so slow. Oi, 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 oi. Oh my days. What's going on? What's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on? Go on, BMW, give it some. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Bro, I really want to just pin this down, bro, but I can't. The cars are going too slow, bro. Bro, give me some countryside roads, man. That's what I want, bro. Rag this thing, bro. Look at it. RPM, bro. I'm leaving it high, bro. Come on, cuzzy. Bro. Oi, BMW guys coming, yeah? Oh my days, bro. You want some smoke, yeah? Yeah, the BMW guy wants some smoke, you know. Let me pick this up, one sec. Hello? You alright, yeah?
Yeah, how's it going?
It's good. I'm literally shooting a POV video right now. I'm ragging the tits out of the car. So the camera is rolling right now. So yeah, this conversation is being recorded, mate.
Let me call you back.
So, okay. Now the good old queen ringing me up, and I wonder how many miles an hour we're doing. We're probably doing like 60 miles an hour, but it feels like 100 miles an hour, bro. Like literally. Come on, give me the power, give me the power. Come on, small little car, let's go, 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 come on. Come on! Bro, I'd rather be in this car, yeah, than that, bruv. That thing over there, that 2021 plate GTI, bruv. I'd rather be in this than that, bruv. Because look, I can just rag it. Look how far I'm redlining this thing. I'm not redlining, but look how close we are. Oh my days. Bro, the Tesla is on it, bruv. Why are you slowing down? Uncle Tesla, oh my gosh, bro. You have to slow down bare over there, bro. Oh my goodness. When he looked at me, he thought I was feds, bro. You know that? Bro, I ain't even got ways up, bro. I don't even know where the feds are at, to be honest with you, but you know what, yeah? Let's just eyeball it, mate. Eyeball it, bro. I can see literally what speed I'm doing there, yeah? She's doing, I want her, mate. She's alright, bro. She's alright. This is where we can really stretch this car, bro. Stretch it, bro. It's very sketchy, but yo, are we trying to push the car to how many? What it can go up to? Yo, bro, that's 110, fam. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill it there, you know, cause I ain't got waves up, bro. If I had waves, then we're seeing it, yeah. But I ain't got waves, and I'm not trying to get my license taken off me, bro. I can't even lie, you know. Maybe another time. Bro, this car doesn't have Apple CarPlay, yeah? Normally, I have my Apple CarPlay running, yeah, and the S3 up there. I got Waves up, yeah? Then I can connect my camera that I'm using to my phone. Then I can see the preview on the phone and also Waves. So if I go off this and go on Waves, then I can't see what the camera is looking at. So it's a bit of an annoying one still. I can't even lie, you know. So I can't do anything. But I think I might have to test it out on my own time, or when I got the missus in the car. She can have Waves up so I can see in it where the feds are, the pigs are, bro. But yeah, man, bro, that was a bit mad still. I can't lie, bro. We hit 110, bro. What the hell, bro? 110 miles an hour, bro. I can say that because there's no proof of it. Obviously, the car guys, if you know, you know, and if the guys know, yeah, they'll know it, yeah. 110 on the clock, bro, on a flipping Polo, bro. Full play now, bro. I didn't think this thing would do 110, but apparently it did. Oh yeah, man, I'm happy with that. And he wanted to go more as well. That's the thing, bro. You know what? This guy looks like he knows what's Wagwan. Let's do another local pull again. Let's see what's Wagwan. To be fair, I'm not even gonna lie. This car, yeah, 1.4, yeah, you'd think it struggles to get up to speed, but it actually doesn't, bro. Obviously, you just leave your foot planted there, yeah, and she would actually go up to 110 nice and easily. Obviously, it would take a while, but it's not like it's struggling. It doesn't feel like it's struggling to get there. It just kind of just does it, bro. You just put your foot down and it just climbs and climbs and climbs. Oh, look, that's 100 again. Look, it's so easy. And it actually surprisingly feels a bit stable, I can't lie. It feels a bit stable. The only thing is just the steering wheel is like shaking like that, like it's got like vibration, but apart from that, it's fine, bro. Well, yeah, man, I think that's gonna be a wrap, bro. That's gonna be a wrap, bro. Well, yeah, man. This BMW is a racer sign. What, Beamer, what are you telling me? You're a racer sign, yeah? Come, say no, innit? Come in it. Let me give you a run for your peas, cuz. Let me give you a run for your peas, you know. Romantic store, can't even lie, you know. Anyways, boys and girls, yeah, it's been our vibe, innit? It's been our vibe still, can't even lie, you know. Why am I going road for, fam? I've been living in London. I've been staying in London for too long, bro. I can't even lie. Look at downshift there. Bum it down. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Oh my God, look at that number plate, 2KTS. That's sick, bro. That is sick, bro. That number plate probably costs flipping more than the bloody car, bro. That's crazy, bro. But yeah, guys, anyways, is that on the mark? No, that's just a lady, bro. I thought that was on the mark. Still, I can't even lie, you know. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, someone got some banging me. Anyways, people, If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do in it, yeah? Smack that like button, yeah? Share the video, yeah? And tell the young people, yeah? Tell anyone, yeah, that's trying to get a little car like this, yeah? Tell them, yeah, look, yeah? Just, what's that? I've no idea what car that was. No idea. But yeah, tell them, yeah, look, buy a small car, yeah? I know the insurance is gonna be cheap, yeah? Obviously, young people can't buy big cars, yeah? Even if the ones that are older and they want to buy a big car, they can't, yeah? Look, yeah? Just tell them, yeah, look, just buy a small car like this. You can still have as much fun in it as you would, yeah? If you were driving like an S3 or, you know, A45, A35, you know, any of those big boy whips, you get me? But yeah, man, I'll see you guys my next one, bruv. Don't forget to flipping hit that subscribe button as well, bruv, yeah? Because I need to know if you guys want some more POV on this thing, bruv. I wanted to change the 6 gear, but there's no 6. That's joke. But yeah, man, obviously, yeah, like I said, I want to do more POVs. Obviously, I've never done the POV on this car, my first POV. Obviously, if you want to see me do more POV, and obviously rag the tits out of the car, then let me know, man. Let me know, bro. I'll do it, man. Obviously, I got a lot of love from the S3 when I was doing the POV content for the S3. But obviously, it's a different car, it's a slower car as well. But I can have a bit more fun in this one. Just do whatever, take it to a big ass field and just rag it in there and just do some flipping handbrake turns and just basically beat the car up. Just do things in the car that I would never dream of even doing to the S3, bro. But yeah, man, let me know, man. Let me know. But yeah, man, that's a wrap. That is a wrap. What is this lady doing? Why are you standing in the middle of the road, eh? You want somebody to just jam you now and kill you? Hey, chai, Chimo. See these posh people, eh? Just because it's posh area does not mean you can just bring out your posh ass and come and stand in the middle of the road, eh? Nonsense. But yeah, guys, hit the subscribe button, like the video, yeah? Comment down below, tell me what you think, yeah? Tell me, yeah? If you have a banger there, yeah? That you use and do crazy stuff on the roads, yeah? Let me know too, yeah? And we can maybe become friends. But yeah, man, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace! That's a wrap, cousin, you know. Come on.